In this video, I'll show you how to use the keyword tool to find keyword ideas and optimize your visibility on Etsy. If you're struggling to identify the best keywords for your listings, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. Start by selecting the marketplace and country you're targeting. For instance, if your audience is global, choose global. In this example, we'll select Etsy as the marketplace and US market as the country. Next, type a broad search term like mug to generate a wide range of keyword ideas and data. Press enter to view the results. The search results at the top provide valuable metrics to help you evaluate your keyword, including average monthly searches. This is the average number of searches for this keyword. Clicks and CTR, click-through rate. This is how often people click on listings after searching. Competition level. This indicates how competitive the keyword is. Search trends. This is the keyword's popularity over the past year. Top search countries. These are the countries where buyers are searching for this keyword. The Keyword Ideas section allows you to refine your search results for more targeted and relevant keyword suggestions. Filters for match types allows you to choose between broad, phrase, or exact match types to tailor your results. Toggling on the Show Tags Only option displays only tags that other sellers are using. Include/exclude keywords allows you to fine-tune your results by specifying keywords to include or exclude, helping you focus on what matters most to your listings. Each column provides these key insights. Search trends allows you to track keyword popularity over time. Average searches shows the average monthly searches. Average CTR indicates the likelihood of clicks on a listing. Competition highlights the number of competing listings. If you're a new seller, focus on keywords with high search volume and low competition. Experienced sellers can benefit from a mix of high and low competition keywords for a balanced strategy. The keyword tool allows you to customize your results for deeper insights. You can sort columns to organize data by ascending or descending order. You can also apply filters such as less than, greater than, or equal to refine your results. Additionally, you can tailor the displayed metrics by clicking the Edit Columns button to add valuable insights like long-tail keyword indicators, tag occurrences to see how often specific tags appear in your listings, character counts, and Google Trends. The Near Matches tab shows similar keywords that might perform better. For example, mugs, plural, could have more searches and lower competition than mugs, singular. Pay attention to variations like plurals. They can make a big difference in your ranking. The keyword tool offers more than just keyword ideas. It provides powerful insights to help you refine your strategy and understand the broader market. The Search Engine Results page, or SERP Analysis, provides details about the top 100 listings for your keyword, including average prices, popular tags and categories, price ranges, and processing times. The Top Listings section displays high-ranking Etsy listings for your keyword. Use this to analyze what's working in your niche. Finally, the Marketplace tab allows you to see how your keyword is performing on other popular platforms such as Amazon, eBay, and more. This gives you a broader perspective on search trends beyond Etsy, helping you identify additional opportunities to optimize your listings or expand into new marketplaces. That's a quick overview of how to use eRank's keyword tool. These features will help you refine your keyword strategy and maximize your shop's visibility on Etsy. Start experimenting today and see how these insights can improve your listing. Thanks for watching.